So here's the actual piece, quite a good way through the cleaning process. So all the straight lines have been filed off it. We've cleaned the surfaces and filed the two opposing surfaces square. So the next job will actually be to drill it out. So now we've got one cleaned up, machined. We've only got a whole box more to do. So there we've now drilled and tapped 3 of the lifters, so we'll have a closer look at the processes we've completed on them. So as you saw in the film, what we did was we faced the side of them and then drilled and tapped them 1/2 inch. So as you saw in the section of film, I had several machines set up in different methods for performing these operations, and I started tapping them in the lathe, but the tapping was completed in the bench vise, like this one there. So the only other thing to do is, if you see this one here, which hasn't yet been drilled, but it's already had all the faces run over with a file and cleaned up, so it should run very smoothly in its new application. So this one here has only just been faced. So they were faced off to give us a datum face, which is according to this face here, according to the shanks, we could drill them straight through. So as you saw on the original component, there's a 1/2 inch stud, and on this one it's been drilled through and then what looks like to have been welded. But for convenience, and also if this stud wears out at any time, we're just going to cross drill it and lock the stud in using that method. Thank you very much for watching.